Hello from Oldham Volkswagen, my name is Dylan and today I'm going to be showing you around this approved used Volkswagen vehicle. The Touareg V6 Black Edition 3.0 TSI at a whopping 340 PS 4MOTION comes available at Oldham Volkswagen and it looks fantastic. The car's available at Oldham Volkswagen with just one previous owner, so you can be rest assured it's been well maintained during its life cycle. It's got a clean exterior, and you also get power folding wing mirrors which do fold in when locked to provide safety for the vehicle, minimising the risk of damaging them. And as it's 21-inch Suzuka Black alloys, you do get air suspension as well. Factory fitted tow bar with power folding functionalities and trailer assist. This is an upgrade option to the car. An electric tailgate as well, which is a fantastic addition to the vehicle if you have your hands full, giving access to a large boot capacity, big enough to fit stuff like suitcases inside, with additional storage space and height underneath there as well. We make our way into the back of the car. We have ISO fixed points in the back for rear child seats, cup holders in the centre console for rear passenger convenience, and a full climate control in the back there as well. The multifunction steering wheel gives access to the immersive active info display, but we'll touch on this a little bit later. In panning around, you can see the R-line embroidery on the seats there with the Soul Black and crystal grey interior upholstery, with a panoramic sunroof which offers a diverse and dynamic driving experience, offering access to fresh air and light alongside a skyline view. The multifunction steering wheel incorporates DSG shift paddles for manual gear changing, and on this dashboard display it shows key information like your driving data, navigation and audio. A heated steering wheel can be accessed with 3 different heat intensities to choose from, offering a cozier winter experience, and to the left hand side we have features like the adaptive cruise control to offer a safe and consistent speed whilst travelling on the motorway, ensuring confidence, safety and also a layer of comfort throughout. Over to the infotainment screen, there's a wide array of different options to choose from, and going into navigation, this incredibly detailed display will keep you on track to your required destination on the best possible route. It truly will fill you with confidence, allowing you to broaden your horizons when it comes to travelling, as you go to new locations you would normally go to, and of course when looking on your cluster you can see you have your display there as well. As we go into our area view, here you'll see we have the 360 parking cameras, ensuring confidence and safety on every manoeuvre and ensuring that we minimise the risk of damaging the car in any way. This is a great place like shopping centres where it's traditionally a little bit too tight. The car also enables you to stitch all of the cameras together to create essentially a 3D world, which is a fantastic addition to this vehicle. You also have your driving mode selection, which offers a wide array of different driving modes. As the car is the 4MOTION, you'll feel confidence whilst travelling any travelling terrain. For example, snow modes are there for the winter times. And then of course you have features like sports modes for performance-based experiences. As we go into the heated seats, we have 3 different heat intensities to choose from, offering a cozier winter experience. These are separately controlled, so there's no arguments there. And one thing this car does incorporate, which is a bit different to normal heated seats, is the ability to actually target certain areas for the heating. This video on the approved used vehicle. This vehicle does come with a minimum of 2 years Volkswagen approved used warranty, alongside 2 years roadside assistance and much more. To learn more about the vehicle or book yourself in for a test drive, please get in touch on 0161 825 8520. We're more than happy to provide more information or book online today.